Hi, this is Mrs. Smith. I want to give you a few tips about the website humanrightswatch.org. You can see that it can be sorted by countries, by topics, by reports, by videos and photos, by impact, by taking action. An important part of this website is the permissions. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will find permissions. And one of the things that are asked on the site is, how do I cite the Human Rights Watch materials? And right here it says you must provide the author, title of the work, copyright notice, and date. Excluding commentaries, the author may be cited as Human Rights Watch. And they give you an example. If for some reason you need to copy and paste the link for your topic, I would suggest taking that link that's in the address bar, copying that, and pasting that into a document in your Google Drive, possibly by the bibliography near the end, someplace where you will not forget exactly what you were looking for, and you'll have that link. And then you can go back and create the citation from there.